Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1!
Morning everyone, hello, welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. I cannot believe it is officially Vlogmas season. If you guys are not familiar with Vlogmas or Vlogmas season overall, it's basically when the YouTube community vlogs every single day leading up to Christmas, so until the 25th. But I like to continue mine until the New Year's. I think this is my third year doing it, second or third year doing it, and yeah, it's always fun. Now I won't have a really exciting and fun vlog every single day. You'll see me probably like break down because of finals, but overall the idea of Vlogmas is to vlog every single day. And today's December 1st, and today's a very special day because there are a lot of things happening. Number one, I am meeting Kathryn, Bernardo. Yeah, I cannot. Another thing is that we are going on a road trip to San Diego tonight after the event. I'm going with my friends. It's just a jam-packed weekend, and I'm so happy that I'm starting off my Vlogmas season with all of these exciting events. So I hope you guys like it. It's a great way to start Vlogmas season. So anyways, yeah, happy Vlogmas Day 1, and let's do this thing. I have a really small wrist.
I know, what the hell? Your wrist is smaller than Audrey's.
Really?
Well, maybe not.
There you go, you guys.
I think I made it all crooked, I'm sorry.
Kamusta ka na? Okay na. Hi, good afternoon. I'm very excited for today, and mag-extend pa kami ng couple of days, so may time pa tayo. Laki naman yung ay dami na pala dito. With our movie. Thank you!
Kalimutan mo na may sukat yan.
Oh my gosh. What's up guys? So we are backstage right now.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. One more. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Hey guys, so I am here with Miss Kathryn, which I'm pretty sure you guys know her. I am a YouTuber, and most of my viewers are actually Filipino. So
wow.
I'm pretty sure they know you. So
hi guys.
Hi
Mix TV.
Most of our viewers are Filipino, so I'm here with Miss Kathryn. How are you liking your vacation here in California?
Good, and I'm excited for my free days tomorrow and the next day after that.
Okay, what do you plan on visiting?
I don't know, maybe little shopping, and then maybe we want to go back to Santa Monica, and then wala, no plans eh. Let's just see.
Have you been to the Hollywood Walk of Fame?
Yeah.
Also, you can speak in Tagalog. I can understand Tagalog. I
Di
just
ka
can't.
nagtatagalog?
Kunti lang.
Bakit di kayo nagtatagalog, guys?
Oh, actually, we're just speaking Tagalog here, so someone say Tagalog right now. Oh.
Okay, very good. Mahirapan ako.
Ano, Mazda?
Pero lahat kayo pure Filipino.
Yeah.
Pero you grew up here na.
Yeah.
Okay. And then now, how old are you?
Can you guess? Oh my god, please.
Maybe same age sa akin, 23?
22. We're so close.
At
Yeah,
22, I'm 22. But
yeah, 22.
hi to all the viewers of Beauty for Rina.
Hi guys.
Like and subscribe. Diba? Ganun.
Yes.
Subscribe.
Why wasn't Daniel Padilla your co-star in this movie?
Why wasn't?
Yeah, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people are like, oh, like why isn't it Daniel?
Yeah.
You know, the usual love team.
No, because we just finished House of Us a month ago, diba? Did you watch House of Us? No, you didn't watch it. Okay, so we just had the movie, and then this one is more of a family movie. So Tommy is not my love team. He just needs to be there for the character. So technically, he's not my partner naman. Pero DJ, maybe he'll do a movie next year.
With you.
Yeah.
Of course. Yeah,
let's
that's
see.
what everyone
Wala pang fan.
is waiting for. My brother and my cousins are a huge fan of you.
Okay.
Really big fans. My brother's name is Jervis.
Jervis.
And then my cousin's name is Kenneth. So they're like, Ate, Kenneth.
Ah, Kenneth.
Yeah. So can you just please give them
Jarvis and Kenneth.
Yes.
Okay. Game?
Yes.
Hi to Jarvis and Kenneth. I'm with your cousin. And I just want to thank you guys for all the support. And hopefully next time we'll meet ko kayo. See ya.
Yay! Thank you so much.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1!
And welcome to Snowballs San Diego trip day 1. We just got gas. We got some McDonald's. I'm here. Casey's right here. Matt is our driver, and we have a new friend, Caroline. And we're
Caroline.
Stop! Don't tell people that.
Ooh, I like that.
Okay, everyone, buckle up.
It'll be a good 3 hours.
3 hours.
2.5. My God.
Cause I can't get it all away if you won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around.
All around.
Trying to play it cool.
Hey, cool.
Some love can cross the room. Missing out.
Oh, right.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. And might be fall in love again if you won't be here next year.
One last time, I'm here to be the one who takes you home.
Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. You just gotta ignite the light.
Good thing, you can't do anything.
Let it shine.
When you do it, you lose.
Baby, you're a fan.
Oh, that was tough.
Oh my gosh, I'm stretched out. You can go.
Tough. Tough.
Loved you endlessly, and you weren't there for me. So now it's time to leave now. I don't wanna see you out that door, baby. Bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in your game to get that away.
Oh, she lost. You lost. You lost.
I didn't see anything. I thought you just sang. No, I didn't.
Okay, fine.
I was like,
I'm waiting for everyone to break at the same song and you start singing.
She's distracting herself.
Tell me, Prince.
a dazzling place I never knew. Unbelievable sight.
Less than a minute. Less than a minute, Caroline.
Can we get a break?
Yeah.
My armpit is literally sweating. Guys. Guys.
That was hard. The hardest.
Okay, hit me, baby, one more time.
Yeah.
I can show you the world. Shining, shimmering, splendid. A whole new world. A new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no.
A dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear.
And it's warm and real and bright.
The world is somehow shifted.
And at last I see the light. It's like the fog has lifted.
Oh my god, I have a secret about
Been to you.
I was thinking the same thing, because it's like I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. And maybe it's the party talking, love's an open door with you, with you, with you, with you. Ah!
The light was starting to see. It calls me. And no one knows where it goes.
You think I'm the girl
who
we're almost there. Let's go. Oh, that.
Taco Bell!
That's ancient history. Been there, done that. Who defeat the king? He's the earth and heaven. Do you try to? No chance, no way. I won't say I don't know. Gonna be the mighty king. Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Everybody turn left. Everybody turn right. Everywhere you look, I'm standing in the spotlight.
3 hours later. a.m.
A little bit, and then you
What's
press
up,
that
everybody?
acceleration.
It's
Wait, push what?
You have to like go a little bit.
and we're in downtown
Maybe you should go where it's not
San
slanted.
Diego.
Yeah, go on the. Oh my God! Don't
Oh
use
my
the humble.
gosh, Marina.
Wait, how do I go?
You have to push off a little.
You have to push off. It's like a skateboard.
Oh my God, Frida, please! I don't want to work right now. Maybe you should go where it's flatter. Go where it's flat. There you go. Here, go here. Push off, go, and then press that button on the where your right thumb is.
Like this
Yeah.
press it?
Like push off. Push.
Oh my god!
There we go. You're going like bye. Have a good.
Bye,
Have a good time.
Marina. She's heading to the ocean.
Bye.
Bye.
There we go.
Yes.
Oh my god!
Oh, no big deal or anything. Watch out for the truck. Watch out for the truck. Watch out for the truck. Oh my God. Good. Handicap.
Okay, guys, what's your reaction?
Accelerate, accelerate. Watch out, watch out, Matt. Oh, you pushed me right in there.
Oh, this is fun.
Not bad, right? Now. Use the brake. Oh my God.
Let's go!
Come on, Casey. There we go. Come on, Casey. Come on. Her eyes are closed. Hold on to that. Hold on. Hold on to that. Just don't let go. There we go. Ready? Ready? Don't let go.
Hers is an easy job than what I did.
Okay, we died.
She's enjoying now. Matt! 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 Can you please go straight?
Okay, I'm going straight. There we go. I'm going straight. Uh-oh.
Matt!
All right.
Seriously, Matt!